So today I am reviewing this replacement battery for the V8. This is the long fit replacement battery for the Dyson V8 vacuum. So let's go ahead and see how it comes when it arrives, and we will install it and we'll try it out. If your Dyson V8 has been dying out quicker than you'd like, this just might be the upgrade it needs. So stick around because the performance boost from the 6,000 milliamp battery might surprise you. Right out of the box, you're getting the V8 battery itself along with 3 screws for installation, a post filter, and a small cleaning brush. Nice bonus touches. The packaging is simple but secure, and everything feels well made right away. Now, this battery is designed to be 100% compatible with all V8 series models, whether you've got the V8 Absolute, Motorhead, Fluffy, Animal, or even the V8 Slim. So no guesswork here. It's a direct plug-and-play replacement for your Dyson SV10 battery models. The build feels solid, not cheap or flimsy like some third-party replacements. LongFit uses premium materials. They clearly aim for durability and safety. Installing it was quick and easy. Just unscrew the old one, pop in the new battery, secure it with the 3 screws, and it's good to go. I let it charge fully before use, as recommended, and after about 3 full charge cycles, I noticed a significant difference. Where my old battery was barely lasting 10 minutes, this one powered through a full room clean with battery life to spare. The suction stayed strong the whole time, which is huge when you're doing floors and furniture. If your V8 vacuum has been lagging, this battery truly brings it back to life, and probably even better than new. The longer run time, consistent power, and overall quality really make it stand out from generic replacements. Oh, and just a reminder, this product was sent to me to review, but as always, I'm giving you my honest experience. If you're on the fence about a battery replacement, this one is definitely worth a closer look.